Hi, this is Claudia and Michael from Dancebook Academy, and today we are going to learn choreography for the song of Disney's film Aladdin, A Whole New World. Let's start. Well, we would like to suggest something new, bearing in mind Disney's fairy tale. Okay, so look, we suggest using 2 chairs, and we will be just dancing around them. Okay, so let's start with the first part. Okay, and let's assume that our audience is over there. Look, over there. And of course, we will show you all the steps. Okay, so let's take 2 chairs. And look, we place them just in the middle, facing the audience, so that we will be dancing before the chairs over there. Okay, and now let's have a look. So, at the beginning of our dance, let's have a look. So we are separated, we approach to each other, and it doesn't really matter which side you are standing on. And at the beginning, we have just 2/8 of the melody. So the moment you hear the first beat, we just start. And we may start in this way, or actually if you have different room arrangements, you may start from different place. It doesn't really matter, but you need to be before the chairs. Look, we are just approaching each other. The ladies grab the man. We are just spinning for a while. We give our hands. And we are just walking around, spinning very slowly. And we finally sit on the chairs. Okay, so maybe let's count it. Okay, so we will present it here so that you will see all the steps well. So we are approaching each other, and the ladies with their right hand grab the man by his arm or neck. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, our body is straight. Look, do not go in such a way. But man may hide his hand at the back or keep it along the body. And when the lady holds us here, we look at each other. We are holding the lady by her waist. And we just go slowly. All right, and now we'll show you the hands, only the hands. So, ladies straighten left hand on the top, and the man takes his left hand as well. And we hold our hands at the top, not behind the head, but somewhere between us. So the moment you grab our hands, the man loses his holding on lady's waist and goes left. So I hold the lady here on her belly. Then I twist and I go left, and we are in such a position. We grab our hands at the back, and at the front, look, we have such holding. Okay, so once more. So we hold in this way, our hands go up, and the moment we grab our hands, do not take your head here, but we turn all the body left, and ladies go around. Look, step, step. Then we turn the lady backward with left hand, and we let the right hand go at the back. So I turn the lady backward, 1 turn, up, then I let my hand go, so we are in such a holding. And then we sit on the chair. So look, we have such open holding. Once more, maybe in front of you. So we are in such a holding. I take my left hand as if I was walking the lady around me. So I lead the lady. Look. And then the hand is down and we hold each other and we sit. Okay, let's count it. So 8 steps approaching each other. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. And we sit. All right, and now with the chairs. So we are before our chairs and we approach each other. So that before the words start, we are just sitting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here, the first stanza starts, so the next part.